Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Okay, real talk. Designing a room online can sometimes feel like assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. In the dark. While being judged by your client or your cat. But imagine this instead. One tool that lets you plan, design, customize, and visualize your entire space, without ever switching tabs or losing your mind. Yep, that tool exists. It's called Foyr Neo, and honestly, it's kind of a designer's secret weapon. So here's what it does. Everything. Let's say you're starting with a blank canvas, a brand new room. Normally, you'd sketch a rough layout, try to measure everything, then bounce between different apps to create your floor plan, visualize furniture, maybe find some renders online that kind of look like what you're going for. With Neo, you skip all of that back and forth. No need to juggle 5 different apps, or wait for anything to download, because it's an online room planner. You just log in and start designing, literally. Draw out walls, drop in windows, shift room sizes, it's all super intuitive. And the coolest part? As you build your layout in 2D, Neo auto-generates a 3D version right next to it. So you're not just planning a space, you're actually watching it come to life in real time. Got a floor plan sketch, or PDF? Just upload it, and Neo automatically traces it into an accurate floor plan. Yep. Your paper drawing becomes a digital layout in seconds. Need a jump start? You can drag and drop fully pre-designed rooms with the pre-modeled room templates, like an office layout, a living room, or a bedroom. It's like getting a head start from a pro. Now comes the part every designer secretly loves. Furniture and decor. Foyr Neo has this massive library of 3D furniture, like sofas, lights, beds, coffee tables, even small decor like vases and plants. You're not just adding placeholder blocks. You're placing actual styles into your room. Think, a velvet green armchair next to a minimalist wood console, with a warm pendant light hanging above. You get to style a room, not just build one. But here's a problem a lot of designers run into. Customizing materials. You find a great sofa model, but the fabric or color doesn't match the mood board. Neo lets you change materials on almost everything. Want to try the sofa in leather? Or change the flooring from wood to marble? It's literally a click away. You're testing materials visually, in seconds, without buying samples or opening Photoshop. And let's talk about lighting. You know how in real life, a space can look amazing in the morning, but completely flat by night? With Neo you can control that. Adjust the time of day, the warmth of light, or throw in a few floor lamps and watch the shadows change. It's like lighting rehearsal for your space, before you've even bought a bulb. And yes, it comes with elevation views too. Designers, you know how handy this is. No more struggling with drawing elevations from scratch. One click, and you've got a full detailed elevation ready to go. Now, once you've designed the whole room, what do? Normally, you'd have to find a separate tool for rendering, wait hours, and cross your fingers that it doesn't turn out grainy. But with Neo, you hit render and in minutes, you get a photorealistic image that looks like it came straight out of a magazine. Foyr Neo gives you 12K ultra-realistic renders in just 2 minutes. Reflections, textures, natural shadows. Basically, the kind of image that makes your client say, "Wait, is this real?" And here's something really fun. You can walk through the space. Not just rotate and zoom, but actually take a virtual tour like a video game. Want to know if the chair fits without blocking the hallway? Take a stroll and check. Want to experience how the kitchen island looks from the sofa? Go for it. Once everything looks perfect, Neo also helps you package it beautifully. You can export your 2D floor plan, 3D view, renders, and even a 360 degrees room view for your clients. All in one professional file. It's like sending them a full design proposal that you didn't have to stress over for hours. And the best part? It's all in the cloud. No heavy software, no crashing, no lost files. Just log in and pick up right where you left off, whether you're at home, at work, or even on site with a client. Foyr Neo isn't just software. It's like your co-designer, your renderer, your materials library, and your presentation team all rolled into one. So whether you're designing your dream apartment, renovating a room, or working with clients as a pro, this is the tool that brings your vision to life, without the tech headache. Try it out for free, play around, and see how good it feels to design without limits. And hey, don't be surprised when your space goes from in progress to Pinterest perfect. There's a 14-day free trial waiting for you. Link is in the description. See you in the next one. Happy designing!